memorize all these five. Memorize all these five. Write all this. And then later give an example. Right. So my dear friends, how to prepare this? Later you will see this question came up 3 to 4 times of the exam. So if I were you, you better memorize this by heart. Alright. Now please take note. Every year or very often they will ask you these 5 steps. They will ask you for 2 things. One is the theory. So your first job is to list down the 5 in the sequence, explain them in theory. Now the second portion, they will ask you, for example, a product. And generally speaking, the product is like a new product. Right. So you better prepare the answers. So how to prepare the answers, my dear? Right, is prepare how a typical consumer go through these stages in buying a Honda Civic. Right. Then you also use these 5 steps to prepare another product. What product? Toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste or Dali. So at the end of the day, you have 2 answers. Is one, how you apply to Honda Civic. One is to toothpaste. If this question appear in the exam, if they ask you give examples, you can choose either one to give. You see, they ask you. Okay, provide examples. So they did not tell you which example. You can give the toothpaste, you still get it correct. You give the Honda, you still get it correct. Understand? Now, if today they change the word or they give you a specific product, say that using the purchase of a new sofa as an example, right? What would be the strategies? Now let me ask you, sofa, the keyword is new sofa. So new sofa is cheap or expensive?
Expensive.
Colgate is cheap or expensive?
Cheap.
Honda is cheap or expensive?
Expensive.
So if the question say new sofa, your answer is near to Honda or near to Colgate?
Honda.
Yeah. That's why I asked you to prepare 2 very big examples. So they say new furniture, new car, jewelry, branded watch. You already know your answers is the Honda answers. Then what you have prepared, you memorize. Instead of Honda, right, you just change the particular product. Now, what to write for the strategies? Please take note. Strategies referring to your 4 P's: product, price, place, promotion. So this is the time that you have to go back to your project, Honda project. Look at how you write your 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Understand? Very simple. Very, very easy. Okay?